Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another video. I hope you all are doing wonderful. Here we have a double dip nails today. Thank you so much to Double Dip for sending me this amazing PR package. So here I'm just showing you 9 dip powders that I chose, and these are absolutely stunning. They have such a large variety, and I love how their products are cruelty-free, vegan, and they're just literally amazing. I have created multiple videos using dip powder before, and I love how they're 2-in-1, meaning you could use them as a dip powder or you could also use them as acrylics. So they're absolutely stunning. They have so much variety. If you are interested, I will have everything linked down below in regards to their site along with what you saw in today's video, and I will be creating a really cute look with the things that I showed. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and also hit the notification bell to never miss out on any uploads, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you to all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So here I am just doing some swatches, and I wanted to show you guys how you can use monomer and use them as acrylics as well. I am using the Enel Couture monomer here. Let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite dip powder, what was your favorite part of the video, and if you guys enjoyed the end result of the nail look I created. So these are what the swatches looked like. I hope you guys all like them. I absolutely love these colors. I thought they're really pretty. Next, we are moving on to the Jelly Tips by Bellavina. I think that's how you pronounce it. And they sent me the Coffin medium. This includes 12 sizes, 300 pieces, and this is in Coffin medium. So I absolutely love them. I will show you up close what they look like, and I'm so happy that they decided to incorporate their own jelly tip system as well. So here I'm just showing you up close what they look like. Absolutely stunning, and you guys will see the process of it all, of me incorporating in today's nail art look. So yeah, here I'm just placing them on the nail for you guys to see what they look like. Next, here they also sent me this 4-in-1 base coat. So it is a base coat, rhinestone glue, slip solution, and jelly tip glue. So I'm super excited to show you how I used this. Super easy and simple, just like the other systems that Kira Sky has, along with Beatles, I believe, and some other companies as well. So I'm really happy that they decided to do this too. And best of all, they sent me this gel art collection. They're super pigmented, they're vegan, cruelty free, 10 free. They're absolutely amazing. I recommend these 10 out of 10. Now they are pricey, I will say that. This does retail for $100, so thank you so much to DoubleDip for being so kind and generous and sending me all these amazing products. This I definitely recommend. The consistency is just like Nail Addict, so rich, creamy, and thick. Absolutely amazing. Super, super pigmented. I recommend these because I did see a video of Emily Susanna, I believe, reviewing the ones from Manicure, I think it was, and they weren't as pigmented, and she also mentioned it as well. These, on the other hand, are just, they literally hit the spot with these. Super, super amazing quality. You guys can see for yourselves, and I will have a dedicated video just showing you guys me creating designs with these, because this definitely deserves its own video. But like I mentioned, thank you so much to DoubleDip. They're so generous to send me their new collection. This is one of their new things that is out right now, and I do have a 10% discount code if you guys are interested in checking out their site. It is Genesis 10, and I will also have it linked down below in the description for you guys. So here I'm just sizing out the jelly tips, and after that we will begin the process, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. So here I'm just removing with a nail file the tabs from the free edge of each individual nail, and then we'll get right into applying the nails. So here I'm just applying some on the cuticle area, and then I'm going to go ahead and place it in. And you do have to make sure that there is no air bubbles. Honestly, I always get air bubbles because it's just kind of hard to achieve applying these nails without creating air bubbles, but it really doesn't matter. People say that it causes lifting. Not for me. I literally place these nails on when it comes to this type of method, and they literally do not come off till I decide to remove them. So you'll be fine. Do not worry about it. So this is what they look like after I've applied them, and I just cured each individual nail for close to 60 seconds because I like to make sure that they are secure and tight. So then I'm just being a little bit extra. You don't have to because the shape is already very beautiful, but I'm just going in to crispen it up to my liking, just a little tad bit, and that is what I'm doing here. We're gonna move on to blending the nail, and I will be doing this with the nail file because I always show how I blend the nail with the cuticle with an e-file, but I want to show you guys that you're able to do it as well with a regular file. So after I'm done shaping, filing, and buffing out the nails, I'm just grabbing this spray hand sanitizer and just trying to remove as much of the excess dust that acquired through the shaping and filing, and then I'm gonna move on to starting the process. So here I am just starting from the cuticle all the way down. I'm not starting midway or 3/4 of the nail just because these nails are they already have an apex. Since they're already full coverage nails, I don't have to worry about building an apex, which is awesome. So that is what I'm doing here, and then I'm just dipping it into the pot directly at a 45-degree angle. Then I am taking a precise tool to clean around the cuticle area, and I'm going to go ahead and repeat these steps for the rest of the nails. I did do just one coat on camera, and I ended up doing a total of 3 coats for all of the nails, and I hope I could help a little bit in explaining how to do this process. It's pretty self-explanatory and very easy because you don't have to worry about building an apex, and I do have other videos on my channel doing it this way as well, so it's super easy. So next I'm just using some activator, and this is going to ensure that the nails harden and are ready and prepared to be shaped and filed. Once I'm done shaping and filing, I'm going to go in one more time with the dehydrator, and then we're going to go ahead and apply our top coat. So I'm going in with this Nail Couture top coat. He has 3 different top coats at the moment, I believe so. I don't know which generation this one is. I don't know if it's the first or the second, but I absolutely love it, and it's definitely one of my favorites. Such great quality. So amazing, so shiny and glossy. Absolutely love it. So this definitely has been my favorite thus far. Here I'm just finishing up and applying the rest of the top coat, and then going in the UV lamp and curing it for 60 seconds. Or you could also use the dip powder top coat, but this time I just wanted to use the Nail Couture because it is just so beautiful, and I left the nail so shiny. And next I decided to add a little rhinestone, like a charm. So I did use the 4-in-1 base coat for that because it does say that it is a rhinestone glue, but I really don't recommend it for that because it does move around a lot. But yeah, other than that, I absolutely loved everything, and now I'm just applying some cuticle oil that is available on my shop. It's another way you can support me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time.